To play Believer, you need 3 chords on the guitar. So I'm going to start with my first finger, which is going to go on the 1st fret of the 5th string. Then my next finger is going to go on the 2nd fret, 2 strings above. So not here, but here. Okay, so there should be a gap between these 2 fingers at the moment. And then this is where that finger comes in. It's going to fill in the gap by going just below. So this is on the 1st fret of the 5th string. That is on the 2nd fret of the 4th, and that's on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And I'm just plucking from the 2nd string down on this side over here. Now, the next chords, all you need to do, leave that finger exactly where it is, but then these 2 are going to move around. So this one is going to go where that one currently is. So that goes there. And this finger is going to form a line with all of the other fingers. So that one's there, that one's there. And just where that dot is there, it's going to go on the 3rd fret. And I'm only going to be plucking from this string down, because if I play all of them, it doesn't sound very good. So I'm just going to pluck from here. So first chord, that finger stays, these 2 move around and form a line. And then the last chord looks exactly like this one, but a string up. So all of the fingers go up a string. So that one goes there, and that one goes there. So I've got that shape there, if you can just about see from that angle there. Okay, that's an E chord. So if I play the whole thing, I've got my A minor, form a line, start again, 2, 3, form a line, move the shape up, start again, 2, 3, form a line,